Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at SUI, and SUI is under fire because of the Cetus Protocol hack, and because of that there are a lot of questions that SUI is very centralized. And if you just go here, around 220 million were stolen, but around 162 million were frozen by the SUI Foundation and the other validators. So because of that, there are a lot of questions around SUI. And if you just look at its price, it did actually struggle a lot. As you can see, it was trading around 4.2 and it went as low as 3.39. Again, it is not that much significant dump, but it's rather contrary. So if you look here, now this seems to be making higher highs, so it could actually go for new high as well from the seems like, because we have another big news, which is that 21 shares has filed for a SUI ETF with Nasdaq, and because of that we have had a pretty good pump from 3.4 to as high as 3.7, and as of now it has started to go up. But beside that, if you look at overall picture, we do have Hyperliquid taking over SUI. As you can see here, it just took over SUI, and both of them are trading around similar market cap. But again, we have Hyperliquid taking over SUI. That is a massive one. So beside that, we do have we don't have that much excitement going on in SUI ecosystem. So if you look here, we don't have that many tokens or coins actually pumping in the SUI ecosystem. So I think that is to be expected because of this Cetus Protocol hack, I believe. But again, we have other news. So if you just go here, we have SUI Gaming stablecoin launching for SUI Play. So that is another big thing coming. So we will have a stablecoin, and after that we have Adidas reveals in-game apparel drop for this game, which is on SUI. So another big thing for the SUI. And we also have a potential Pokemon X SUI partnership, and that is because they used Parasol and it's super effective in their game. So that's something going on. And beside that, I don't have anything else to share for the SUI, but I think all of these news are critical. But we do have a lot of questions around SUI's centralization. So let's just see what happens. But I think this is a pretty big thing, and because of that I think SUI is struggling because of that mostly. But again, from the looks of it, this news has had a pretty good impact on the SUI price, so we could actually go higher. So I think if we just go higher, we could actually peak around 5.3 and we could go down. But it also depends on overall market, because BTC is hovering over its all-time high. So if it does go up, of course I think most of the alts will most likely follow, but if it rejects from here, we will continue to go down. And because of this issue, I think SUI could take a massive hit again. So if the market does go down, I'm looking at 2.8 or even somewhere around 2.35 or even 3.15 seems to be a pretty good entry. That depends on overall market. And if we just get a slight correction for the BTC, I think entry somewhere around 3.5 could be interesting. And if the market recovers, we could actually go higher. But I think overall it mostly depends on the overall market. So let's see what happens. But this was just a quick update on SUI. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.